and we'd go to, you know, drive somewhere like to Wales or something, and just the forest, if you've got to drive through one, oh my god, I used to get all emotionally excited, like really amped up, like I was a little Tarzan. Oh, look what we got then. Oh, we're back in the fucking, on the bottom road. Ooh. Oh, let's go this way, I don't want to go to Aston Clinton. What was that? I just heard another weird bird. Birds are loving me today. Didn't look like a skier, did she? She was. She lost her fucking skis. Someone's had her skis. That's what I'm talking about around here. Fucking neighbourhood has changed. I do have someone behind me, but they gone. Let's clear the mud off. Every time I think about getting another bike, I ride this one again, and I just love it. I don't even know what road I'm on anymore. Gooseberry Lane, I believe. As you say so, Danielle. Oh, I know where I am. I think I've been here before. I'm obsessed with vans at the moment. Oh, look at the snowdrops. Did you see that? Little snowdrops. Lovely. Is that spring? That's spring, right? That is spring and a half. I've been here before. I think I've even done a fucking thing coming this way before. And right there it is, the puddle of love. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting, trying to find one of, you know, a few £100 motorbike. Really cheap runner for the winter. A winter hack they call it, don't they? So they, them, those, that's their pronouns, that's what they call it. A winter hack. Something that doesn't matter if it gets fucked, basically. I'm starting to get the logic of that, because in the winter I do fret, so let's go. I don't want to go that way yet, let's go this way. I'll go around. It's not raining still. Woo! Wigginton, oh, nice bit of Wigginton. I've been there before? I think I have. Shire Lane. That looks a bit tempting, doesn't it? I'm definitely having it down Shire Lane. Tempted to turn around. I think I'm going. Oh no, let's go backwards. Never go backwards. Always go backwards. Sometimes go backwards. Nice dog. Excuse me. What's this? Haistow Tring. I've definitely never been to Haistow before, so it's in the kind of direction of Shire Lane. Let's see if I can pick up Shire Lane and come back round and see what Haistow is when it's at home. Nice bit of tree. I often see these cars. Now I shouldn't find that suspicious, should I? It's a car. It's a bit of forest. They're probably walking their dog. That's probably those people just now. Park up, go for a nice walk, right? Yeah. What do I think of dogging? Axe murderers. The vehicle is parked in a secluded spot. I mean, it's just sinister, isn't it? Hey, nice horse. All horses are nice, I suppose. I haven't met an evil one. Look at that. I like these little, what are they called? Hollows. Little, where you get a bit of land and it's suddenly a little bold dip. I love those. I don't know why do I like those. There's another one. Is that something to do with breastfeeding? Probably not. Was that someone in the bushes there? Got shivers. I'm not going to turn around and look. This woods is now turning into one of those woods with the Disney trees with the miserable faces. I once knew a woman who had the face of a Disney tree. Sort of downturned, sort of face. Woo, this is nice. I like this. Look at that. Nice bit of forest, lovely bit of field. Someone in high vis up ahead. I'm guessing it's that same girl with the horse. She's going to think I'm following her. It's not good. You see, now I'm the sinister one. Well, maybe it's not even anyone on a horse. No, I'm hallucinating. It's, I think it's just, I don't know, we'll see when we get there. It's definitely not, so, oh no, it is somebody in the distance, but I don't think they're on a horse. Or maybe they are, I can't fucking tell. Anyway, still got the forest on my left. No horse, right? It's just a person in high vis. Good. As you should be. Oh, I've got someone behind me. So don't fuck around if you've got someone behind you up your ass. Don't fuck around with someone up my ass. I don't want to stop and offer people a lift. He's an old boy. He'll probably... What did you get on? Damn it. He'd say, I haven't got an helmet. Would she be right? I'd say, there's no police around here. Don't worry about it. You know, you're a fucking weirdo. I don't know why he's northern. But he's like, oh, yeah, I am a fucking weirdo. So are you. Oh, weirdo. I'd ride off. Calling him weirdo. Anyway, here we are. Look at England. Look at it in 2021 at the end of January. Look at all. It's a bit springy today. It's true. The sun has been shining. Oh look, Haystow. We're going that way because this might be the very famous Church Lane. That's not it at all. What was the other one called? Shire Lane, I think that's right, wasn't it? There's a river running through it. Just think, if this was Bulgaria, that house on my right would be worth probably about 15 grand, whereas here it's worth about 15 million. And in Bulgaria, I've never been, but I reckon they've got better pastries, haven't they? And better cherry vodka, and better walnuts. I bet the vegetables are good from the market. Well, there you go. Bulgaria is talked of right round and back into it. How are we doing? We still got petrol, so it's a good sign. Riding a motorbike, and I wish I could talk to my 17-year-old self. What is this? Is you have to be fucking on your game 100% of the time. 99 will not do. Public byway, no motor vehicles. 1st of November to 30th of April, Browns Lane. Well, I thought a public byway meant you could go on it with a motorbike, but motorbike, wanker. That's it. Who said that? Me. All right then. What's this one say? Ridgeway, Riders Route. This must be Haystow. That must be the old schoolhouse, I suppose. Yeah, I reckon this might be that little lane I went past, whether it was called Harris or. We'll see when I get to the end. Look at that wiggle. Look at that lovely little wiggle in the river. Whee! Whee! Hello, horse. And a jogger. Who's going to win? My money is on the jogger. That's a beauty. Afternoon. How are you? A lovely horse. It's beautiful. Afternoon. tell you what, something about the, whatever it is, the 30th, 29th January, where all the animals seem to just love me. And I might be imagining that and be delusional. What seems like that? What's that one say? Oh, I shouldn't stop on a corner. Ridgeway. So I'm between Wigginton and Wendover. One more, we've got the whole internet. Look at that tree. Oh, what a beauty. It's been murdered by that ivy, but it's going down looking beautiful. It's like the equivalent of dying when you're 27 and you're a rock and roll star, man. I like this road. Something about it. I like it. I like its elevation. I like the lack of mud. At this point, anyway. Must be at the top. Look at that. It's beautiful. God, I'm a boring wanker. Hey man, it's beautiful. It's fields, trees, and mud and rivers. Hey. But it's still true. Look at that. That is England, eh? What the fuck is that? Look at that. In the distance, you won't be able to see this probably. In the distance, there's a big tower. What could that be? Oh, it looks like a, you know, a tower, like a tower block. Maybe it's Aylesbury. I don't know. Might be. I'm tempted to ride towards it, but not that much. Definitely never been on this road before. So far, I'm loving it.